ready to transform your call center data into a powerhouse of insights. First, let's connect Tableau to your call center data. This could be from Excel, a database, or even cloud platforms. Ensure your data includes key fields like call date, agent ID, call duration, customer satisfaction scores, and call type. Now, drag call date to the columns shelf and set it to display by month. This visualizes your call volume trends over time. Next, drag call volume to the rows shelf. You now have a bar chart showcasing call volume each month. Let's add some color. Drag call type to the color mark. Now, each bar is segmented by call type, revealing patterns in the kinds of calls you receive each month. Time to analyze agent performance. Create a new worksheet and drag agent ID to rows. Then, drag call duration to columns and change the aggregation to average. This creates a horizontal bar chart showing each agent's average handle time. Now, let's combine these insights into a dashboard. Create a new dashboard and drag both the call volume chart and the agent performance chart onto the canvas. Add a date filter to control the time period you're analyzing. This allows you to focus on specific trends or time frames. And there you have it, a powerful Tableau call center dashboard to track key metrics and optimize performance. Experiment with different charts and filters to unlock even deeper insights from your data.